Alright, hey, this is Carson here. This is on the racetrack route. This is a workshop scenario I downloaded called Railfanning Naperville. And let's gonna go ahead and get started. It says, you are on your way home from work in a city when you decide to go railfanning here at Naperville. You only have a little bit of time to watch the trains, but the trains you see you will never forget. You have to set a reminder on your phone for when you have to head back home. Alright, let's just find us a good spot. Maybe here. Alright, you got the passenger train coming. And you got another one over here. Oh, then another one. Wow. Oh, another passenger train. This must be what everybody talks about as being the Metro rush hour. Village in Tinley Park, Illinois. Let's see. This is the first time I've actually done this scenario. I've just started it. Like, this is the first time I've launched it and actually played it. So I just downloaded it off the Steam Workshop. Oh look, Metro 123, Village of Libertyville. Oh great, it's gonna block the view. Whoa. They need their space. Oh look, you even got bike racks here. Wow. Let's see, you've got an approach, you got a stop, and then you have a clear indication. It's a stop on me. Here you go. Let's see. I guess that passenger train down there is stopped. I'm guessing because it's been down there a while. Oh, here we go. This passenger train's on the go. Maybe it'll be like maybe an intermodal or a manifest come through here later. I don't know. This required a lot of DLC, so that's what I'm guessing. Oh, let's see. Wow, I spoke too soon. Here comes what looks like a CSX/BNSF oil train with what looks to be CSX-8s. Yeah, 2 of those, and then it looks like maybe a NS-9. It's hard to tell. Yes, that's what it is. Take a screenshot of this. Wow, this train's got a restricting indication, and yet look how fast it's going. That's kind of odd. I like how TS2016 put the actual rail sounds in here. Made it sound a little bit better. Oh, sounds like we have another passenger train coming in on the other side. Maybe. Wow, this train's going so fast. Just a note, I'm not in control of any of these trains. Well, maybe we'll have a DPU. Let's see. Yep, looks like it. I see a fuel tank and I see handrails. Looks like a UP Givo, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, here comes another metro train on the other side of there. Let's see. It's gonna be UP. Ooh, Triclops, 66M. Let's see. Anything else coming? Oh, look, look. Another metro train. I can't remember who made this scenario, but whoever it was seems like it spent forever with all this effort put into it. Let's see. Last time I made a video with me talking in it, I deleted it because I had a cold and I did not sound very good. Let's see, this is going to be Metro 110. Let's see, it has a restricting indication as well. And maybe he's gonna stop, I don't know. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's find a new spot. Let's go to this crossing down here. This looks interesting. And it's gonna lag out on me, of course. Let's see. Oh, the gates just went down. What's coming, I wonder? Ah, it's this. This metro train that came here earlier is on the move. It's Metro 101, City of Joliet, Illinois. Let's see. If you're in need of a route, I would suggest getting this route because, as you can probably tell just from looking at this, they put a lot of effort into it. I hear another train somewhere. Where am I hearing it? Let's look this way. Oh, there we go. Looks like a UP Triclops leading a local with passenger cars, it looks like. I don't know. That's a little weird. Nothing coming that way. Let's see, it's gonna be UP number 2410. Yeah, 2410. I don't know what this is. Is this considered a local or is it considered a half intermodal, half passenger? I have no clue. You don't see very many of those in real life. Let's see, I'm gonna cross over. Oh, I'm so bad. I'm going over when the gates are still down. Oh, I see what it looks like. See if anything's coming. Oh, once you look at this, here comes an intermodal with what looks like a UP SC70M. Let's get a good spot over here. This looks good. Let's see. Yeah, here it comes. Alright, first you have UP 3961, it looks like. Then a Givo, and then a NS-9. And then another UP Givo. And this isn't going near as fast as the other ones that have come by here so far have been going. Wonder what the reasoning for that is. Let's see. UP 3961, 7652, NS 9722, and then UP 5432. Note love those TS2016 engine sounds for the UP units. They sound really good, especially the EMD SD70M. And here's the reasoning. He's going so slow. He has a restricting here. Something must be coming. Oh, now he's got an approach. That's why he's powering it up. Let's see. I'm going to take another peek. There. Oh, there's another metro train coming up behind this long intermodal. Oh, it's gonna freeze up on me now. Oh, here we go. Let's see, you've got restricting signals both ways. I don't know what that's telling me. You got one right there. And then you have one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why aren't the gates up? What is the deal there? And then you have. Oh, now it's downgraded to a stop indication. Something must be coming from that way. Oh, we got some DPUs. I wonder what they could be. Looks interesting. Looks like a an ES44AC. If I would guess. And then looks like an SD40 or something. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like a CSX SD40-2. Oh, now we've got an approach over here. I know something's coming. Oh, I see a light reflection. Now something's coming. Oh, yes. Here's another train. Oh, and it's going to be an Amtrak train this time. Huh. Oh, the gates decide to go down now. Because Amtrak's all of a sudden so special, I guess. Yeah, here's the DPUs. You have NS8061 and CSX 8821 with ditch lights on. Would you look at that? That's kind of weird. Let's see. P42DC Duo, as always. Let's see if we can find the numbers. 142 and 174. As a matter of fact, I saw 174 the other day in my life. I'm guessing this is maybe Amtrak 5 or Amtrak 6 or 3 or 4 if you think about it. Looks to me as if he's going to stop up here in Naperville. I'm going to be bad again and go across when the gates are down. See if anybody's coming. Yep, you have that metro train that I mentioned earlier. And nothing coming this way. Doesn't look like. This scenario should be completed soon because it in the description it said only about 10 minutes long, which seems a little short. Let's see, this is going to be Metra 119.